Rust Stain Remover from American Hydro Systems easily removes exterior rust stains from a variety of surfaces. Simply spray, rinse, and enjoy the results. Available in a ready-to-use liquid or ready-to-mix powder, Rust is a professional-grade product that is effective and easy to use. To apply the ready-to-use liquid, pour into a hand-pump garden sprayer. Coat the entire surface and watch Rust get to work in seconds. No scrubbing or power washing is required. After the stains are lifted, and while the surface is still wet, rinse with water to reveal the results. Rust is safe and effective on a variety of exterior surfaces including concrete and stone, fencing, block walls, aluminum siding, and more. To prevent future rust stains caused by irrigation, use Rust Stain Preventer in your irrigation system. Use along with GrassSoGreen fertilizer and NatureShield insect and pest repellent in the same tank to create a beautiful, maintenance-free landscape that is safe for your family, pets, and vegetation. For over 30 years, the pros have turned to American Hydro Systems for a cleaner, greener, pest-free landscape. Be sure to check out our entire lineup of irrigation solutions at proproducts.com.